Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Did you know every picture is like a secret story waiting for colors to bring it to life? Let's grab those brushes and see the magic unfold.
Look! This painting is so beautiful. The trees look so real, and the colors are so bright. The grass looks like it's glowing. And look at the sky. It's not just blue, it has so many shades. How do they make it look so real?
That's the magic of coloring a picture.
I don't get it, do I?
Let me explain how this artist brought the painting to life.
Is it hard to make something like this, Dua?
Not at all. The artist followed 3 simple steps. I'm going to show you how to use this painting. First, the artist started with the basic concept. They chose the main colors for big areas like the grass, the sky, and the trees.
So the grass is all green. And the sky is blue?
Exactly. They used solid colors to fill in these areas. When you start coloring, always focus on keeping your strokes neat and staying inside the lines. That's the most important thing.
Like when I color my drawings at home, sometimes I go outside the lines.
That's okay, Mina. But the neater you color, the more beautiful your picture will look. This artist made sure to fill the big areas carefully with smooth, even strokes. Once the big areas are filled, it's time for adding small details. Look closely at the grass. Do you see those blades of grass?
Yes! The grass has little lines that look like blades.
That's right. The artist added these little details to make the picture feel more alive. You can do the same by drawing flowers in the grass, clouds in the sky, or tiny leaves on the trees.
And look at the sky! They are not just white, they have little lines which show details.
Exactly, Mina. Those details help show texture. Finally, there's shading and blending. This makes the picture look even more realistic. Do you see how the sky has light blue at the top and darker blue near the horizon?
Yes! It's like the sky is glowing.
That's because the artist blended different shades of blue. They used light and dark tones to add depth. Do you see the shadows under the leaves?
Yes, the green looks darker there. Is that shading?
Exactly. Shading is when you use darker colors to show shadows and lighter colors to show highlights. It makes the picture look like it's popping off the page.
Thank you, Dua. I got it. Me too. I want to make the grass look real with flowers and tiny blades.
Now it's the time for quiz. What color should you use to color the grass in a picture? Option A, green. Option B, purple. Option A is correct. Grass is usually the same color as trees and leaves. Which picture shows the best way to color a sun? Option A, a yellow sun. Option B, a blue sun. Excellent. Option A is correct. Which picture shows careful coloring inside the lines? Option A, a child scribbling randomly over the page. Option B, a child coloring neatly inside the shapes. Good job! Option B is correct. You should use bright colors like yellow and orange to color a picture of the sun. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. It's okay to use any colors you like when coloring a picture of a real tree. Is this statement true or false? Trees usually have specific colors in real life, like green leaves and brown trunks. This statement is false. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be spotting circles, squares, and triangles everywhere. Get ready to shape up some fun!